You'll love the secluded atmosphere of this well-cared-for home located against the base of the Blacksmith Fork Canyon. This great room is the perfect place to welcome your guests. The area has been newly remodeled with crown molding, two-tone paint, rich colored hardwood floors, and upgraded lighting fixtures. The dining area and counter can seat 12 people for a dinner party. The kitchen layout provides a chance to mingle while hosting your guests. There are new granite countertops and a black granite composition under-mounted sink. Also, you'll love the new upgraded appliances, an appliance garage, pull-out cabinet drawers, plus a built-in pantry. In the master bedroom, you'll enjoy the thick plush carpet, portrait fireplace with remote thermostat, and plenty of windows for fresh air and natural light. There's an extra switch next to the bed to turn out the lights, extra electrical outlets in the walk-in closet, and it's been wired for an intercom system throughout the home. The master bath has plenty of elbow room. There are plantation shutters above the large whirlpool tub, accented by travertine, shower tub surrounds, and flooring. This is custom anvil cabinetry with upgraded bathroom fixtures, a separate makeup vanity complete with electrical outlets inside the cabinets, and fire-resistant drawer liners, just in case. The side breezeway door brings us to the main floor laundry and mudroom, featuring a porcelain tray for the washer and dryer, as well as lots of counter space and organizing cabinets. The second main floor bedroom has a window seat with plenty of storage underneath. There is also built-in decorative shelving and a nice closet. The main floor bathroom has a cultured marble shower and tub surround, plus a linen storage closet behind the door. The third main floor bedroom makes a nice home office area with extra task lighting, a large closet, and bright windows overlooking the mountains. This second-story room could be used as a bedroom or a reading nook. It also has a closet, and the window has beautiful hillside views. This is the second-story half bathroom with tile floors and granite countertop. This second-story bedroom is 22 by 12 feet. It has two alcoves with gable windows. One is used for a computer desk, and the other has a reading desk. Downstairs, we find the main family room that is 22 by 13 feet, with two large storage closets, chair rail, and three-tone paint. The family room leads us to the theater, which includes this 60-inch Panasonic television. There are graduated floors, surround sound, and authentic theater seating with a capacity for 16 people. This fifth bedroom is used for an exercise room with a nice closet and built-in shelving. Here's the sixth bedroom with a built-in reading desk. This fourth bathroom has an oversized vanity, linen closet, and oversized shower. The seventh bedroom is 14 by 13 and is currently used as a craft room. There's a large closet and decorative trim woodwork. The home includes a Culligan water softener and new 50-gallon water heater. The food storage room has lots of This oversized 2-car garage has epoxy flooring, custom organizers, and access to this bonus room above the garage. This is the ultimate place to recall the stories of all the big ones that got away. You'll love the freestanding wood stove, fly tying desk, gun display case, and custom log cabin woodwork. There's also plenty of camping gear storage up here. Back to the main level of the garage, you'll find a handyman's dream closet with storage shelves for tools and equipment. There's also a workbench complete with a tool organizer wall. There is an enclosed, fenced storage area behind the garage. You'll love the large wraparound porch as you head out to this incredible yard. Out back, there's a patio. The full sprinkler system with decorative curbing makes the yard care easier. This lot is over an acre in size, so there's plenty of space to play on the soccer field, the lighted basketball and volleyball court areas. The wooded area of this lot is really something that sets this home apart from any other. There's walking trails lined with Oregon grape and chokecherry trees, plus many larger trees for privacy and seclusion in this naturalist getaway space. This lot is adjacent to DWR land and the Blacksmith Fork River. It is just perfect for learning to fish or floating down the river in the summertime. The mountain setting here is one of a kind, and we look forward to showing you this home in person. Thanks for watching.